Around the world, refineries, LNG, petrochemical, power, and other facilities which use temperature for processing raw materials into finished or semi-finished products are facing a silent and hidden enemy, one that is at work 24/7, corrosion. One form where moisture and contaminants are present at the substrate is corrosion under insulation, or CUI. CUI occurs as a result of cyclic service when moisture and contaminants are present under insulation. These microenvironments can have various pH levels and have higher than expected acidic and salt contamination. CUI can occur rapidly. Thermal service was found to be cyclic, even when thought continuous. Cladding is used to keep rain and runoff water from entering into insulation, but typically ends up leaking. With this leaking water comes contaminants. Industry experts agree practices implemented up until 15 to 20 years ago were not effective in preventing CUI. More recent technologies also failed to effectively solve the issues of CUI. Silicones were tried, but due to film thickness, pinpoint rusting occurred. Zinc-rich or sacrificial coatings were also used. However, in different microenvironments, these coatings would be consumed quickly, leaving no protection for the hidden substrate. Epoxy and epoxy novalacs were also tried. These coatings have peak temperature capabilities just barely above the operating temperature of many processes, resulting in a marginal safety factor. Many epoxy coatings crack and delaminate when exposed to higher than anticipated temperatures. In 2001, Hi-Temp coatings technology set about working to solve the many problems of coatings for CUI. After much work, formulations, trials, and testing, HTC developed HITEMP1027. HITEMP1027 is a thick film, surface-tolerant, thermal shock, and cyclic resistant coating. HITEMP1027 works at temperatures from -300 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit and can be applied on surfaces up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It is ideal for CUI service for both carbon and stainless steel substrates. HITEMP1027 has a successful track record solving CUI issues for more than 6 years with over 8 million square feet covered. It is available around the world, easy to spec, easy to use, and works as advertised. HITEMP1027, solving the CUI challenge around the world.